Hey, this is McGarren Flack here. Just gonna talk about this painting that I worked on yesterday. So this was from the life drawing session that we had at Dixie State University. You're totally welcome to come and do that, except next week is our last week for the semester. So maybe next semester you can come and join us and paint or draw or sculpt or whatever you want to do. But anyways, back to this painting. I want to do a grisaille. A grisaille is basically using white and black paint, except I used umber and black paint and put umber in the lights with white, obviously, because it's a lighter value. Oh, and I'm also painting this on vellum. Yeah, vellum. It's basically plastic. You can take the plastic and paint directly on it. It's pretty fun. So the plastic is mounted or just taped to a board while I was working on this painting. And all I was using is oil paint. I think it's Gamblin oil paint, and then also some quick dry titanium white. But just to kind of go over the process, when I work on this painting, I start off kind of like a poster study, and I paint in those nice little shadow shapes that you saw at the very beginning. And then I put in the light values, generally speaking. And after I get those shapes pretty much figured out, then I go back in and I soften out the edges of the core shadow. I need to put the core shadow in there so that it turns the form, and then the cast shadow, I need to harden up those edges for the cast shadow. So that's basically what I've done so far. And I know this video is really quick, but I really don't want to lose you or make you be like, oh, why am I watching this? This is ridiculous. I don't like watching this stuff. But I mean, who would watch a nude painting and not like watching a nude painting? But anyways, I digress. So focusing on the painting, all I'm working on when I get those really light values that are located in the breast and the stomach, this, by the way, was a pregnant model, and I take just direct white paint and I put it into the paint that I already have on the canvas. I didn't mix it before I put it in there, and I just kind of mixed it on the canvas. So here you can see that I'm adding some lighter values on the glutes, on the belly, on the breast, and the arm. And then I kind of make a little bit of a change with finessing those middle values. And the middle values are really important, but here the model kind of moved her arm, and I liked the placement of her arm a little bit more, so I changed it. And I think the whole point of this painting is I was trying something new and different, working on a grisaille instead of full color. I was trying to figure out what the shapes and proportions were of the model as she was laying there. And I think that it turned out okay. But here's the funny thing. I decided to paint that face. And when I was working on the face, it wasn't grooving. I was trying to do a John Singer Sargent face with simplified brush strokes and everything, and it didn't work. So I went back in and I rendered it out a little bit more, and then I worked on different parts of the body. I'm slowly building up the darker values, the lighter values, trying to find those shapes, and it just looked terrible. So I will show you what happened here in a second, but you can see that the face really is not that good. Working on the figure and the hands, and I'm trying to simplify the shape so that it's not too distracting. What on earth am I gonna do with this face and the lower legs? I don't like rendering out all the information. I only had 2 hours to do the freaking painting. So I go back in, refine some details. I look at the face again, refine those midtones, soften out some edges, and then you'll see what I do here in a second. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. And this is what I recommend. If you are not liking where your painting is going, you have nothing to lose to screw it up. And this is where I screwed it up. And so now I'm going to make the change. And I just scrape it off. So I scrape off the painting, make it like a Groot head or whatever. And same with the feet. I'm just gonna simplify it because I want people to focus on the figure. But that's it. So hopefully you learned some stuff with watching this video, especially with how to screw up your painting more or less. I don't know. Either way, have a great day, and I hope you enjoyed the video.